Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to setting up the auth components, service and the header component in our React.js application. So let's get started. Let me open here the Node.js application. As you can see, the .env file. I'm going to update the port that we have 4000. Let's navigate to the React.js application. As you can see, the src package. Let me create a new folder inside the src with the name environment. With the environment, we have a new folder with the name pages. Inside the pages, I'm going to create a new subfolder with the name auth. Inside the auth, we have a folder with the name components. Inside the auth, we have a new folder with the name services. Inside the components package, I'm going to create a new folder with the name sign in. Second, we have sign up. Inside the sign in package, I'm going to create a new file with the name signin.js. After that, I'm going to create a new file inside the signup package with the name signup.js. Let me set up the sign in and the signup component. So here I'm going to create a function with the name sign in. So it will be an export default function that we have sign in. After that, I'm going to set up the signup component. Let me add here the return where we have a h1 tag with the caption sign up works. Let me add the return inside the sign in method as well. So the caption of this that we have sign in works. Now after that, I'm going to create a new folder inside the services package with the name auth. After this, we have a package with the name storage. Inside the auth, I'm going to create a new file with the name auth.js. And inside the storage package, I'm going to create a new file with the name storage.js. After setting up the auth components and the services, I'm going to create a new folder inside the pages with the name header. Inside this folder, I'm going to create a new file with the name header.js. Let me create here the function with the name header. So it will be a export default function and name of the function that we have header. Inside this, I'm going to add here return. And here I'm going to add the h1 tag with the caption header works. After that, I'm going to create a new file inside the environment package with the name Axios instance.js. Let me open here the new PowerShell. And I'm going to write the command to install the Axios in our React.js application. So the command that we have npm install Axios. Let's hit enter. This package will use to make the HTTP calls. So on the top, I'm going to import here the Axios. After that, I'm going to initialize the Axios with the base URL and creating the instance. So let me call here the import and the method from the import that we have create. Inside this, we have to pass here the base URL that we have http://localhost:/port that we have 4000. After that, we have to export the instance. So it will be a export default, the object name that we have instance. Now let me open here the app.js. Let me remove this div. And here I'm going to add the React fragment. Inside this, I'm going to register the header component. After the header, I'm going to add here the tag for the routes. Inside this, we have a route tag. Let me import the routes and the route from the React router DOM. Inside the route tag, I'm going to add here the path. So the path that we have /register for the sign up component. So let me add here the element that we have sign up. Let me import here the sign up component. So the component that we have sign up, and we have to import from the src/pages/auth/component/sign up. So the second import that we have sign in. After that, I'm going to add here the tag to register the sign in component. So the path that we have /login. And we have to load here the component that we have sign in. Now let's go back to the browser. As you can see, the text we got from the header component. Now here I'm going to add the path for the sign up page that we have /register. As you can see, sign up works. Now after that, let me add here the path for the sign in page. As you can see, the text we got, sign in works. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.